What is going on, guys? It's good to see you and welcome back to my channel for today's kitchen recipe when we are attempting to make something delicious from that sponge cake, and we're gonna use it because we're gonna make some delicious tiramisu. And I'm saying this because I'm very excited. Tiramisu was always one of my favorite desserts, and I always enjoyed it eating. I never could imagine something more delicious than tiramisu. And for this recipe, we're gonna attempt doing it. It's very simple after making that sponge cake, and you will enjoy it, and it tastes like the real deal without the doubt. So you cannot be more keto than that, because you use some protein and fat in the sponge cake, and you will add all the fatty things to make it more delicious. So let's make it. Start off with some coffee. Brew 2 coffees in here, pretty strong. And what I like to do is add some room extract in here to make it more fancier. The first step, because we need to allow our coffee to cool down, is gonna take our bowl, usually bowl for eggs, and crack 2 whole eggs into whites and yolks. Let's beat our egg whites. Gonna move on to our egg yolks. Add 1 packet of this vanilla sweetener. Unfortunately, I don't have any kind of erythritol left, so it's xylitol, which is not the best because it has some glycemic index and some calories too. But the sweetness level is 1 to the regular sugar. Add some mascarpone. Beautiful. So let's combine these. Let's add an almond extract, which is the real taste of our tiramisu from Italy. Our egg whites and gently fold it in. We have a dish plate. We're gonna assemble this. First, we're gonna add some of this mixture in here. Spread it out. Simplest thing to do is take the sponge cake, soak it in coffee, and place it right here. Add some more of the cream. Some cocoa powder. One more layer of the cake. That's it.